Hi guys, how are you doing? How are your stress levels? Are they off the chart crazy with everything that's going on? Well, I have an oil that can help with that. This is Adaptiv and it is the calming oil. It's absolutely amazing and it's one of my personal favorites. I was introduced to this oil about a month and a half ago and I have done nothing but share it since. And if you're following my Facebook and Instagram pages, you've seen me talk about this oil and what I'm pairing this oil with, putting it in my diffuser and putting it on topically. I love this oil. And guess what? I want you to use it too. I want to help you with your stress and help calm you in this crazy time that we're having. So, my team is doing an adaptive study. We do this almost every month, and this next one is starting next week on May 18th. It is a 9-day study, and I would love for you to participate. It is completely free to do it. I just need 3 things from you. 1, you let me drop off samples to your home. I am personally delivering samples to the Las Vegas area just because we only have a few days before the study starts. If you're out of town and would like to join the study, please just reach out to me and we'll work something out. 2, you would like to participate in our Facebook group. You need to be participating in the Facebook group so you can learn how to use the oils. It's okay if you're not a huge social person, but I will be tagging you in the posts that are related to the study so you know how to use the oils and you can interact with other people who are using the oils. You can tell us how it's going for you and so forth. And we can also help you learn to not only use the oils, but if it's not working for you, help you find alternatives. I had 7 people in the study last time, and there were some of the products, you're going to get 3, that worked for them and some of them that didn't. So we helped give them solutions and alternatives for what didn't work for them. And let me tell you, I have a ton of different oils that we can try and that I can sample for you if this one doesn't work. But this is a wonderful way to learn how to use the oils. So 1, you let me drop them off to you. 2, you choose to be active in our Facebook group. And 3, you are active in doing the pre-survey and the post-survey. This helps you and us see how you did when the study starts. It looks at your different stressors and how you are doing, and then we introduce you to the 3 products, and then after the 9-day study, you reevaluate and see how you're doing again. I will be in communication with you throughout, so if you ever have any questions, you can reach out to me, but I want to get these oils in your hands, and I want to help you. One of the reasons I got into essential oils was to help other people. So if you're interested in the adaptive study, please just comment down below or reach out to me personally, either through my messages or if we're friends, text me. I would love to help get these oils in your hands. It's a crazy time, and let me tell you, I'm using this all the time. I have already breathed it in today, and I've used it topically. And there are 3 ways you can use oils, and because of this study, we use this oil all 3 ways. You get the topical oil that you can put on your pressure points. You get a sample of this bad boy, which you can use aromatherapy or aromatically. And then you get the capsule, which is the soft gel, which has the oil in there and some wonderful things to help calm. So you get to use the oil all 3 ways: internally, topically, and aromatically. If you need anything or have any questions about this oil or any of the others, I want to help you. Have a wonderful day.